Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well, and yes, we are out for some shopping, as you must have seen from the thumbnail and the title. Nothing special today, but this was in our bucket list since a long time, and that's why we are here. We are at this Arcadia Mall in Warsaw, and it's a very huge mall, and it's definitely going to take some time to go around the mall and check out places for buying those earrings. So for now we are waiting for Amrita. If you don't know who she is, she's my friend from Poland and Ketan's colleague. So we are waiting for her, and until we are waiting here, you guys can enjoy this beautiful time lapse, and yes, you can grab a cup of coffee or anything that you wish and enjoy this video. Let's find her where she is. So here she comes, and we just took some cute pictures here. You can see people taking pictures here. It was a really nice Instagram picture site they've made here. So I also took some pictures here. I'll post it here. And yes. Selena Gomez, yeah. I wanted to see if they've launched it here also today, because otherwise it is being launched everywhere, at least in US. But okay, so without wasting much time, first we'll get into Swarovski, and we will check there. We'll check for the sizes, the prices, the certification and everything, and let's see where do we packed up from. So let's go. So actually I came home with an idea to buy diamond earrings for the one pierced here up, but now I'm a little confused, and Ketan is asking me if I want an earring for this size or for the bigger one. So we are deciding upon this. I cannot
all it in this. Here we have it here.
This suits here? No, right? This is quite big enough. It's quite big in size. It's quite big for this. Here it's still fine. So if I have to buy something for this size, I might as well buy something in which has design, yeah, and not very plain.
This is the smallest size in our collection. Let's try this.
Still not going to happen. Doesn't make sense. We wear it here.
Can you make it in the smaller one if you give a order?
No, we have the size and we don't can change the mold. Yeah.
No, it's
too big.
apart. We can check there. Okay, so we have just walked out of Swarovski, and I checked out earrings. I checked out ring size, but unfortunately I'm very sure that I wouldn't find my ring size here in Poland, because my hands are very tiny and they're very skinny, so that the ring option is not in my list. But yes, definitely I can go for earrings or a bracelet. So yes, just done with Swarovski. Now maybe we'll go to a Apart or a Pandora. Sonolak in Pandora, and we are now going to Yes. And by the way, this is also bought from Yes. What is the price for this?
Price, yes.
So this is gold or what is it?
Gold and diamond.
Gold and diamond.
Yes.
And the gold is how much carat? Like 18 carat, 22 carat.
And now it's time to have some energy, and we haven't bought anything yet. We are still deciding, and as you guys know, unless I don't check out for options, I would not prefer buying anything. That is how I actually shop. I would go into 10 different shops. I will check for the quality, the price and everything. I'll compare that, and only then I will buy any expensive item if I have to. That's the way I shop for myself and Ketan or anybody if I have to shop for. So yes, so I will just have something and then we'll go around and check for more options. 2 years warranty in case the diamond or something, the coating.
Yes,
No, manual?
one
Oh, no problem.
Okay. This last.
The rose gold one. Yes, Ketan?
Packet for a gift. And here they didn't mention about the how many year warranty.
Warranty is 2 years and with receipt and if
No, that's fine. It's okay. Yeah, and Ketan, shall we ask for the tax-free form?
काय करणार होता कधी कधी करणार
But we can just take it and keep it with us in case
असेल तर ते tax free नाही.
नाही होत का? Okay.
this is receipt and warranty.
Bye. So I cannot be more happier today than this. I mean, it's so great. I finally bought my first bracelet from Swarovski, and yes, I am very, very happy and very thankful to Ketan for this priceless gift. And yes, I love you a lot, and I don't really have more words to express than what you guys can see, but yes, I am very happy.